What have you done to strengthen your immune system today? For those who develop cancer, studies explain that the cancer itself is able to progress to active disease because of its ability to evade and suppress the immune system. A healthy immune system is critical to beating cancer. But which parts of the immune system are responsible for this task? Let's recognize three key cancer fighters. T cells. These specialized immune cells can recognize and destroy abnormal cells, including cancer cells. B cells produce antibodies that can mark cancer cells for destruction. Natural killer cells. True to their name, they are able to detect and eliminate abnormal cells in a variety of ways. For those seeking to strengthen these three cancer-fighting components of the immune system, the world's Library of Medicine contains over 1 million studies that focus on the immune system. In there, you can find a tremendous amount of evidence that nutrition and natural substances have the power to improve the functioning of T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells. The problem is, these medical journals are usually geared towards readers who have a deep education in biology. The NutriLiv app bridges the gap by taking the information from the world's library of medical articles and creating an evidence-based catalog of foods, supplements, tinctures, and aromatherapy that can be searched based on anti-cancer and health-optimizing features. Let's walk through an example in the app. Here you could search for natural items that can strengthen the cancer fighters in your immune system. NutriLiv delivers a list of items that are a fit. You can then select one to view the specific anti-cancer and health-optimizing properties that have been observed in studies. If you would like to read the summarized details from the medical journals, they could be accessed in the lower section, as well as links to the source studies. Each item has a NutriPoint value that is calculated based on the anti-cancer and health-optimizing properties observed in studies. You can log consumption of each item to track your progress towards meeting your goals. NutriLiv is available worldwide on both Apple and Android devices. Select the link in the description to visit the App Store. Every time you eat, it's an opportunity to consume nutrients known to fight cancer and help you live your best life. Check out our channel to view other videos that can help. We hope you live long and live well.